my channel. This is a quick video on what I packed for a 3-night stay at Byron Bay at a beautiful luxury resort. This is what I packed for our 3-night stay, which also included a wedding, a recovery session, a reunion dinner. Now, it's not necessarily just a capsule wardrobe style selection where everything was solid neutral colors. I was very much in the mood for print, but everything here was still interchangeable. Let's walk through it. Let's go through the black and white section first. The black and white collection. We have black bike shorts, black long tights or leggings, black swimsuit, a black leather jacket, a black tank top with shoulder pads, and then with the print we've got the black and white zebra print pant and the black and white button down striped shirt. The reason for this is because the weather can kind of get a bit cool, so I had my 2 pieces that will have me if it gets cold, and that's the leather jacket and the black tights. And the rest of it is kind of interchangeable. So when going to the pool, I could pair my black bathers with the black and white zebra pant, and that's it. That's the outfit. For dinner last night, I wore the tank top and the zebra pant. Upon arrival, I was wearing the black and white shirt with the black bike shorts, and it was cold, so I was wearing the leather jacket. My shoes were my black and white beige sneakers. That's about it. If I did need to interchange, my black tank would be able to go with my black shorts or with the black leggings. This bathing suit could go under my button-down shirt, so my button-down shirt would be the cover-up. This is where it can feel tricky if you pack colored bathing suit and print and not have anything matching. So this is a colored set. I've got printed bottoms and I've got bike shorts. Unless I had a pair of blue denim shorts, this would kind of be hard to pair, but let me show you something. This is how I worked around having kind of like a print neutral colored capsule and color. This is the color set. So this is a complete resort set. That's the bathing suit, the pants, the scarf, and then this was my backup cover-up dress because of the color still coordinates with the print. So when I had worn this to the recovery session, I could still wear this bathing suit and have this as a cover-up. And then this was my wedding set, wedding guest set. So there's my dress. In case it got cold, I had my kind of capsule wardrobe blazer, and this blazer works with this dress, and it would also work with this in case I needed to bring something to keep me warm, but I didn't need to. What ties this together is this backup blazer and having a solid color, no print dress. This color still complements this bathing suit set, so that's still interchangeable. For example, I could wear this under this. I could wear the bathing suit under this dress and have the scarf on my head as an accessory. The other day I was walking around and I was just wearing this bathing suit and these pants, and then this is kind of like the special set because it was for the wedding, so it wasn't intended to be reworn. Shoes for the wedding outfit, shoes for the recovery outfit, shoes for the resort. I didn't really wear these for any of the colored outfits. If I was wearing colored outfits, I'd only bring my plain white sneakers, not the one with the black logo. But because we have done a color set and a black and white set, we have a few extra pieces. For a capsule kind of travel pack, I'd normally have 1 pair of nude heels, 1 pair of skin tone flats, all white sneakers and gym sneakers, and then that's it. P.S. This was my bag for all of the colored outfits. I didn't really intend on wearing a bag for any of the black outfits. Everything had a pocket, so my pants had a pocket, my leather jacket had a pocket. Otherwise, if I was being really cohesive, I'd have my black leather bag with me as well. Oh, and of course I brought Old Faithful, my hat, in case the wedding was under the sun or even for just laying by the beach. This is a wool hat by Lack of Colour. This way that I store my jewellery. It's been so effective thus far. I got this from Kmart, this container, this acrylic thing, but it helps me see everything and stop everything from tangling. I mean, that's Billy's yawning. This one only has like 4 canisters, so I just put my like jewellery with like jewellery. And then you just screw it back and then you do the next level. I think the thinner jewellery will always like kind of get tangled unless you have a better system. Kind of tangled, but not too tangled. Let's end this with a quick tour of the hotel resort, Elements of Byron. the lagoon view from inside of from the room. One of the things I really love is that you get to park your car in front of your villa. We're in villa number 9, and then now we're going to go walk to breakfast. Or you could catch the buggy. The view heading to breakfast, all the lagoon edge villas.
Have a little bit of a headache today. I'm going for the chai latte with honey on the side and some pancakes. Yeah. Can we go see this adult pool first?
This is the pool for us. This one, adults only. No, it's just because they've got a swim up bar and I like that. So there's a section you can walk down and go to sunbeds over there, get direct beach access, or you can come up the stairs and sit and watch the beach over here.
Alright, I'm back to Brisbane. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please let me know what was the part that you loved the most of this video. I'd love to know. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do. And if you're in the place of creating your capsule wardrobe, or maybe you have created your capsule wardrobe but you want to elevate your style and you want to inject some personal style in there so that when you are traveling, then you can easily create your travel capsule. I highly encourage you to check out some of our programs. We've got the Ultimate Capsule Wardrobe Workshop, the Ultimate Style Roadmap, which is the one that's all about integrating color and texture into your wardrobe in a chronological order. And of course, we've got my signature course, which is the Ultimate Style Accelerator program, which really breaks down the creative and the fashion side of things into formulas that are easy to apply. We get heaps of really great feedback on that one. So all of the links are in the description box of this video. And as part of YouTube and the YouTube community, we've also provided some discount codes. So make sure you use those when you're ready to hop into any of the courses or masterclasses. All right, thanks for joining me on this one, and I'll see you in the next video. Have you got any requests for the next video? Let me know.